Hey guys, I have another mystery box unboxing. So this one on the Glam Raider site was, how much was it? Let me have a look. Okay, it was 180 and it's meant to have 360 value. So, hang on. No, this is the wrong thing. This is something I bought. Sorry. It's this one. I opened that up and I was like, all of these products look really familiar. It's because that's an order I made. Is this it? Okay, this looks more like it. Alright, so first thing we have is some Glam Raider like powder puffs, which these did come in the other box as well. And then we have a Glam Raider eyeliner, which also came in another box, except it was in a different shade. This one's in the shade Love Wins. So yeah, got those two. Oh, okay. This is the BH Cosmetics and Doja Cat Prism Bronzer. I didn't even know BH Cosmetics and Doja Cat did a collab, to be honest. Okay, what is it? Oh no, sorry. It's a loose highlight powder in the shade Bronze. So this is going to be way too dark for me, but it's actually a stunning shade. Like, I feel like that's so pretty. I feel like it makes such a great eyeshadow, but I've already got that many eyeshadows that I'll probably just pass it on to someone that can use it as a highlighter. But yeah, that's really pretty. This is from Queen Cosmetics. This is the Hemp Infused Gloss. I've never heard of Queen Cosmetics before, so that's cool. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. This one's in the shade Electric. I feel like that's super cool. It's not picking up on camera like how cool of a shade that is. I really like that. It's got like heaps of cool like reflex through it. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off, but that is a really cool colour. I feel like it'd make like a really pretty eyeshadow shade. We have another Glam Raider eyeliner. This one is in the shade Love Letter. I'm scared to open these because like they're wrapped in plastic and I don't want to open them like in case I don't like the shade, you know what I mean? But okay. So they're like duochrome eyeliners. So both of these shades are kind of like orangey kind of shades. But yeah, they actually are quite cool. So maybe I will keep them. I don't know. This is from Peaches and Cream. This is another brand that I've never tried. And this is the lip liner in the shade Borderline. That's actually a really, really pretty shade. I think I will be hanging on to that one. It's like a really pretty brown. And I don't know why, but I'm kind of obsessed with lip liners at the moment. I go through like you know, I love makeup obviously, but I go through like little phases where I'll get like really obsessed with one specific makeup product. So like my latest obsession at the moment is lip liners, but like when I first started, I think I was obsessed with like highlighter. And then I've gone through a stage where like I'm obsessed with like false lashes. Why don't they make this packaging like this? Wow, that's a really, really pretty shade. I really like that. That's very nice. Okay, what else do we have? We have a sponge from made by Mitchell, which I'm really excited about because I do need some new sponges. We have a blush in the shade Rosy Posy, and this is one of his liquid blushes. That's a really, really pretty shade. Super like light pink. It's really pretty. It's very rosy actually, like, yeah. We have a another product from Peaches and Cream. This is their Cleopatra eyeliner. I think it's like a kohl eyeliner. It's just a black shade. We have these really cute stick-on false lashes from Makeup Revolution and the Clueless collab. I feel like they're actually really, really cute. I wish I could get my nails done and I wish I could have false lashes, but being a tradie, they're just not they're not practical for me, unfortunately. So, okay, this is from Physicians Formula. This is the Healthy Lip. What is it? The Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Coral Minerals, and that's a really, really pretty shade as well. I really quite like that. Looks very like kind of like close to my lip colour, but like a better shade of the lip colour, you know? We have a Wet n Wild Mega Last lip colour in the shade Rosebud, and that's a really pretty shade as well. It's quite similar to the last one actually, just a little bit deeper. We have the P. Louise and Mitchell collab Acid Rain paint. This one's in the shade Blank Canvas. Do I have this? I don't think I do. But yeah, so I really love the P. Louise paints. I think they're so good. I really love them. What else do we have? Okay, we have an ochre highlighter in Blind the Haters, and it's such a stunning shade. It's quite deep though, that it'll never suit my skin tone, but it is absolutely stunning. Then we have the Kimchi Taylor bronzer. This one is in the shade I Went to Miami. Kimchi has really cute packaging. I think the packaging is so sweet. Oh, that's such a pretty shade, and I feel like that'll work for me, hopefully. But that's really stunning, and I just love this packaging. Like, how cute is that? That is so cute. I've tried a couple of things from Kimchi, but I really want to try more of the brand, so that's exciting. What is this? I'm trying to figure out what brand this is from. What brand are you? It says Solar Look, but I'm telling you there's no such brand as Solar. Oh no, there is. Okay, cool. Okay, yep. Alright, so this is from the brand Solar Look, which I've never heard of before. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, by the way. And this is a Dirty Dancing palette, which is super cool. I love the movie Dirty Dancing. Wow, that's super cool. Okay. This is such a strange palette. Like, it's massive. Is this like a eyeshadow palette or what? Okay, it says it has an eyeshadow and pressed pigments. But yeah, okay, that's so interesting. I've never heard of this brand before, and that's such a cool palette. Like, I feel like it's so random though. The eyeshadows are massive. Yeah, that's really cool. Once again, like, I feel like this is why I do love these mystery boxes, is because like I find brands and stuff that I just never think to try, and didn't even know existed. So, so there's that. They've got some other cool things. Okay, and then we have a couple of last things. So we have a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Hooked on Vinyl. Then we have a I Heart Revolution and Dr. Seuss palette in the, it's called Oh the Places You'll Go. I'll open it up. I hate that they put stickers on everything, so I have to like cut them to get them open. Okay, so this is a palette. It's actually really cute. I love Dr. Seuss. Okay, and that is the palette there. I feel like it's captured like the, you know, like the colour story really well. I feel like that's quite cute. And then the last thing we have in here is the Makeup Revolution X Soph. This is the mini spice palette. So I had one of her palettes. I can't remember what one it was. I think it was like Extra Spice or something. And I did quite like that palette. Okay, so this is how the palette looks there. Oh, it's actually really cute. It's really cute. I do really quite like that colour story. I feel like it's really sweet. Okay, so that was everything that came in this box. I feel like this box was quite cool actually. So I'm going to go off camera and I'll add up the price and see how much value is in the box, and then I'll let you guys know. Okay, so the total value of this box is $371.95, which I feel like is, once again, really good value. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really like these mystery boxes. Like, I feel like I always buy them when they come out because I just feel like they're super fun to unbox. And like I said, it's cool to like try things that you probably normally wouldn't buy, and they're really good value. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!